This is Orbitkey Hybrid Work Duo, designed to provide seamless organization no matter where you're working from. Following 6 successful crowdfunding campaigns, we're back and excited to introduce 2 new products, made for working anywhere and note-taking everywhere. Meet the Hybrid Laptop Sleeve and the Compendium by Orbitkey. Let's begin with the Hybrid Laptop Sleeve. This dual-function sleeve unfolds and doubles as a portable desk mat, transforming any space into a familiar workspace. The Hybrid Laptop Sleeve offers slim protection, fitting easily into your bags or backpacks. The laptop pocket is designed to also be the perfect mousepad area, providing a comfortable surface for your mouse, whether you're right or left-handed. With a magnetic zip-free closure, the trifold design ensures quick setup and packup, enabling seamless transitions between workspaces. And it allows you to charge your laptop while still in the sleeve. Available in 2 sizes. One to fit most laptops up to 14 inches, and a larger size for laptops up to 16 inches. Crafted from recycled woven fabric and soft-touch premium vegan leather, protecting laptops and looking good while doing it. Now, for those who love bringing ideas to life on paper. Let's take a look at the Orbitkey Compendium, a beautiful and simple tool for capturing ideas instantly. The Compendium features a custom elastic cord closure for quick access, built-in bookmark, and a thoughtful pen holder. It's designed to deliver a flat writing surface that adapts to your needs, compatible with most popular notebooks and notepads, with varying thicknesses. Also inside, hidden card storage is easily accessible, along with additional space for your digital tools or loose documents, all put together in a beautiful package. Made from premium LWG certified leather and recycled fabric lining, ensuring a seamless, refined writing experience wherever you go. The Orbitkey Hybrid Work Duo helps you stay organized, focused, and efficient as you transition between workspaces, making the world your office. And if you like the sound of that, back our campaign, so you'll be one of the first to experience our new collection. Thank you for your support. We're incredibly excited to see how the Hybrid Laptop Sleeve and Compendium elevate your everyday work experience, no matter where you are.